This EcoFlow smart meter could be fitted in multiple ways, inside your distribution board or alternatively inside its own little enclosure which you can pick up from Screwfix. So we're going to need the enclosure, a plug to do it that way, the smart meter itself, a bit of cable, the CT clamps that come with it, and then what we need to do is we need to either get a 2-core cable, which would be more ideal than this, and wire in live on the left into L1 and neutral into neutral on the right. Then if we turn it around, we can see the little socket where the CT clamps go, and we need to plug them in there. So you need to get the end from the CT clamps and plug it in. So when we're finished, it'll look like this. All we need to do now is grab L1 on the CT clamp and hook it over the live incoming into your house. Next, grab L1 from the CT clamps and you can flip it round and open it up. So the main incoming live needs to go inside this cable, not this. This is just purely an example of how to operate the CT clamp. So once we found the main live that's coming into the distribution board or fuse box, we need to wrap this CT clamp around it, ensuring that the arrow is facing the right direction. So it needs to be flowing into the house. So that arrow needs to face towards the load inside the house. Here's a picture of the supplied wiring diagram that comes with it, or what it could look like inside a fuse box, or you could just attach it to some DIN rail. To set this up now, all we need to do is open up the app, click in the plus in the top right hand corner, add new device, and it picks up the smart meter. Then we just need to follow the instructions and set it up. This whole process only takes a few minutes. Done. You can select the space you want to add it to. And here we can see live results of what electric and energy is being consumed or produced inside your house.